I have a way where you can earn $10 by using your email. All you need to do is copy, paste, and send. And let me tell you something. I made my money using different methods online, and one of those methods was this. Like I say, it works like a charm. I just opened and saw my earnings one day using this method to find my account that had more than $3,000. Now bear with me. I will personally give you tips on how you will make money online with this method I did. But before we begin, I would like to welcome you to Money Heist, a channel where we teach you to make money online. I want you to go and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Before we begin, I want you to be very patient and remember to give it all. Plus, use my video for the step-by-step process. I mean, carefully listen to this because this will work if you use my method. And remember, every referral you make, they will actually pay you $10 per person on this platform. This is absolutely free. You don't need to pay for anything, just need to sign up and make your account. I will tell you how you can make $10, so make sure to watch this entire video. I have shared a link in the description below. I want you to open that link and sign up on that link. After signing up, you need to remember to add in your details such as your first name, your last name, your email address, and password. Make sure you add the valid details, and once you log in, I will show you what you need to do. I just recently referred to 11 people and I made $110. And I can tell you, I referred another 67 people to the different things they wanted, the different things they offer on this platform, which paid me $670. What I mean is, on this platform, we have different courses available. So for instance, you share the course and someone applies to it. Well, you get $10 for the course. This is amazing, isn't it? Anyways, all we need to do is copy and paste the email and send the link. Keep repeating the process again and again. You can send it to someone who wants to learn a skill that he can make money using that skill. I mean, like the graphic designing skill or this thing called the SEO or anything related to freelance work. They can be contacted. So not only will you be helping them learn a skill, but in return, you will earn $10 for every referral like I did. You can also try and find someone who wants or needs something done. For instance, a business owner who wants to have his website ranked on Google, requires an SEO. What you can do is send them the link for the SEO class via an email. This is how the email would say. Dear sir or madam, I'm writing you because I work with one of the biggest social media marketing agencies and help small business owners increase their revenue for free. I will show where you can get lots and lots of emails, so just stay with me. I will show you where you can get a lot of leads. Remember, this will work with any sort of business such as gym owner or a barber shop or coffee shops. Just name it and you will have an email ready for those businesses. Also, it does not necessarily need to be in the US or in one particular country. I mean, it can be anywhere. France, Spain, India, Australia. Just think of a business and place, for example, gym in Los Angeles, and search it out. And most occasions you will find the email addresses of these coffee shops in their websites. So go ahead and look for them. I have copied an email on the description, so go ahead and copy that and send it to the email address you were looking for. Don't forget to attach your affiliate link because that's how you will make money and send it forward. So in summary, open the link given below, register yourself as an affiliate with your valid details, and then copy and share the affiliate link for the courses you search for, and add those to the email I have given in the description, and then send it to the email address of the small business you have searched for. Once they sign up, voila, you score $10. This method has worked for me, and I am hopeful it will work for you too. Just keep trying and be patient, plus hope for the best. If you liked the video, do give us a like and give us a comment below. Do subscribe to the channel and make sure to click on the bell icon to be notified for the next exciting video on ways to making money online. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you next time.